Hello, everyone, and welcome to 2 by 2 for You, the path to your success. Did you know that if most persons were to spend 20 minutes speaking with a 2 by 2 for You member twice a week, discussing our products and comp plan and how to earn more, they could increase their income by $840 to as much as $3,600 per month? Hi everyone, my name is Giovanni Wade and I want to welcome you to our brief webinar. Today you will learn how to turn $25 into $840 to as much as $3,360 in just days or weeks. So keep in mind, our products are here to help you save money, help you to make money, and all the while building your business. Remember, we have the first one. It's called where you get to save on everything. $25 one-time product package, you'll receive $60 over again. Our second package is a $50 one-time product package, Alabama wholesale travel, allowing you to receive, when you come in with just two people who do the same, $130 over and over again. Our third package, $100 one-time product package, coffee cup news for you, allowing you, when you join, invite two people who would do the same, $250 over and over again. And our final package allows you to come on board with a one-time $150. You invite just two people after joining who would do the same, and you'll receive $400 over and over again. The total amount of all of our packages is $840. Imagine doing this 4 times in a week for $3,360. So again, you get to save on everything you need and earn additional income while you build your business. 4 separate product packages, 4 separate compensation structures, 6 people to cycle, and you can re-entry and follow your sponsor. Receive weekly checks, no qualifications to earn. You can earn $840 again and again, and a possible $3,360 per month when you cycle 4 times, which is once a week. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to quickly get back with the person who have shared this video with you. We invite you and welcome you to 2 by 2 for You. So this is a powerful opportunity for you to earn easy and quickly. Follow the Steps webinars are done every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We also have these Follow the Steps webinars at 10 a.m. on Central Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have roundtable discussions every Friday at 12 p.m., 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here are the numbers in the code. Again, get back with the person who introduced you to this awesome opportunity. A one-time product purchase equals a lifetime of income. We welcome you to 2 by 2 for You. Get back with the person who has shared this with you. Thank you, my friend, and have a great day.